morning. So we're just heading to Adelaide Airport, ready for R&R in Brisbane. So jumped out the Uber. It's bright and early this morning. About 5:30. Okay. Still too tired, still waking up. So yeah, Brad and Sam should be here soon. Yeah, looking forward to it. I've just done the bag drop and wow, it's packed this morning.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Cabin crew on doors.
So here we are in sunny Brisbane, and after a little check-in dilemma, we're actually heading now to the Pig and Whistle for a beer and a burger. So things are looking up. Wouldn't you say, guys?
Yeah, I'm looking up.
Right.
Starving. Let's eat.
Yeah, let's eat and have a beer.
Pig and Whistle, like he said.
Ah.
Cheers. Cheers, biggies. Did you want to sleep in the middle or on bottom?
Ah. Go to the window. This will do for.
It's like deja vu.
No.
I like it. I like it.
Hello there. So today we are on day 2 of our trip to Brisbane for the R&R with Lifestyle Tradie. And yesterday we had a pretty relaxed day. We got in about 10:10 and the flight was pretty good. It was cold. It wasn't really warm that you would expect to see in Brisbane, but we went down to the Pig and Whistle, which we highly recommend. Nice sort of casual sort of place. Bit of live music last night, and we had a few pints just to kick things off, and that was really nice. A few wedges, what have you. Later in the day we came back, had a bit of a nana nap because had an early start yesterday morning. Up to the rooftop bar, saw Andy and Ange up there, who are the hosts of the Lifestyle Tradie, and we had a couple of beers with them, which was really cool. Very impromptu but very nice. Went to Coles, got some waters, that sort of stuff, and hit the hay at about 8:30. So today is day 2 for us, but officially the R&R kicks off, and we are heading toward the Diamond Day, which is really exciting. So we've got guest speakers, and we expect it's going to be full of valuable information. We're going to make some new friends, hopefully, and we'll see where it takes us. So looking forward to it. We'll see you soon.
I missed it. Hello.
No one. Not one of you knows how you're going to execute this. How do you know how you're going to own toy?
The reason why you're here tonight is because you are new to lifestyle trading, so we call this the new beginner. So everyone here is new. So it's So tomorrow's going to be an epic day. You guys are absolutely going to love it. Actually, we'll start about tonight. Tonight is all on us. So whatever you want to drink, eat, be merry. If anyone hasn't been to
I actually want your heads tomorrow.
So.
I came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy.
Good morning. Another day in Brisbane. We had a great day yesterday. Keynote speaker was Craig West. He talked mainly about succession planning and exit strategies and stuff, which was mind-blowing, and everyone just was loving it. Met some excellent people. Last night they had a dinner at for the newbies, a Brazilian place. The name escapes me. I can't think what it was called, but it was awesome. Lots of food and lots of drinks, and
that's why my voice is a bit croaky this morning.
But yeah, didn't overdo it. Try not to. Yeah, if it's anything like yesterday, it's going to be intense, but can't wait for it. So we're going to sneak down and have some breakfast, which is good breakfast, by the way, and nice buffet breakfast, mushrooms. Amazing. Talk to you later on. Bye.
If there's anything you need to know, we can't help you unless we know. So please come up and talk to any of them. Don't talk to me. Talk to any of them, any issues you've got, and they will definitely be able to sort it out. So I want everyone up standing and around.
Morning. So here we are, Saturday morning. Yesterday was massive. Great day yesterday. They had one of the keynote speakers is Midja Fisher, and she was incredible, as all their speakers are. But it was more about finding what your values are and what sort of legacy you're going to leave behind, and it was just really inspirational. Her story was a good one too. And the rest of the day was pretty intense, and everyone came away knackered, but it was a great day, and everyone really enjoyed it. Last night we shot up to the 16 Antlers at the rooftop bar here in the Pullman, and that was pretty good fun, really. Just getting to chat and getting to know all the individual business owners is just so great. But yeah, anyway, so we're about to head down to breakfast and head into the final day, and then a massive night tonight. They've got the dress-up party at somewhere, don't know where it is, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to head off, and we'll catch you later. Hello again. So we are off now to the final destination, as it were, Brad. Today was massive, wasn't it?
It was a big day.
Massive. And Brad wearing his gi. I look like I've had the shit beaten out of me. It's actually just a fancy dress because we're heading to this last night, which is a dress-up night, which is going to be pretty cool. So should be a bit of fun. Probably a few drinks, something I like. But yeah, we'll see what happens when we get there. Talk to you soon.
So much fun. Darling Harbour. Love ya.
As we wake up from a fairly big night last night, I had the party, of course, at the, what's it called? The Corbett and Claude or something? Corbett and Claude. And, yeah, it was nice, nice food and lots of drinks, and everyone had lots of fun. Yeah, as you could see from the previous video. So, having a chat to some of the boys downstairs this morning in having the brekkie, and it was, everyone got a bit loose, to be frank, but it was all in good jest. So a brilliant 3 days here in Brisbane, and as we pack up our bags now and get ready to head down to the airport, we now look forward to Sydney, which is in November, so that's going to be cool. Also talking about possibly Fiji November next year for the next one, so, or for one later in the year anyway, so that should be a bit of fun too. Anyway, we'll catch you guys later on, and thanks for watching.